All right, today I'm just gonna do a follow-up a little bit on ClearCreek siding. I know I had a little bit of fun burning a piece and doing all sorts of other stuff, but I thought it would be beneficial for people to learn more about this product while I learn more about the product. ClearCreek sent us out a box of samples. We have one job under our belt up in central Minnesota on Mille Lacs Lake that turned out beautifully, and just a little bit more about ClearCreek. So obviously it's built for a more rustic look. This would be fitting to like a cabin or someone that's looking for that log home style type of property. So with ClearCreek, the real definitive thing is it's a concrete log and timber siding. It's a better alternative. And the better alternative aspect is really where it comes in. You think about out west where the wildfires are and the risk of that and the insurance costs. California with the wildfires, all the other states, and all the way up even into Canada. What is the risk and how can homeowners protect their home a little bit more by choosing products that A, are efficient, B, are durable, and C, fire resistant? In Minnesota, we don't deal with as many wildfires, but these are all benefits that can help people in Minnesota get the curb appeal and the functionality and just the insulation aspects potentially on their home. So some of the benefits of ClearCreek siding, and I'll just talk through a few of them real quick, is the R8 insulation value. As you can see on this log style, it is a concrete siding, and underneath it has actual insulation. So on these older homes that don't have sufficient insulation, or older building practices or homeowner specials where they didn't have even enough wall cavity space to have sufficient insulation, and you don't want to be tearing apart your home and you just want to add on, this actually has an integrated approach adding R8 insulation to the property. A cool thing about it also is it's a class 1A fire rated product. Do I know what that is? Absolutely not, but I know it sounds cool and it might be relative to you and where you live. It's actually really lightweight for the size of the product it is. I mean, I can easily toss this stuff up, handle it, and it doesn't come in overly large sections. So it's easy to handle on the installer end of things. We're a little bit for the install end of things. Cutting concrete, you want to make sure that you're using the safety precautions that are recommended. Off the cuff, you're going to want to use all your normal personal protection equipment like eyes, ears, hands, face masks, stuff like that, and make sure that you're cutting in an open area that's breathable or have a way to distribute and collect those particulates when they come off from your saw blade. You're also going to want to make sure you're using the right type of saw blade for cutting this. Not your standard one is going to be appropriate. Otherwise, you're going to find yourself chipping this product from an install and wasting good product on bad cuts. It's impact resistant, which I think is very relative to Minnesota, especially in high wind areas that sometimes get hail. When you have hail or you're under a large tree cover, stuff is gonna fall. And that on your standard vinyl siding is just gonna break it. And you don't want that, especially in a long-term investment property. This stuff is really strong and you can beat it down pretty hard. I'm trying to find if I have anything I could smack this with real quick. But even just smacking it on the table real quick, that's not doing anything. This is a wood table. It's not leaving any, there's no problems with that getting hit. So it has an impact resistant rating. It has a lifetime limited warranty. Overall, it's maintenance free. They deliver nationwide and it's just really cool. And you can get different types of aesthetics. So you can get the wood look without the maintenance. So like even right here, between these two logs, we have siding color Lincoln and, well, it's not labeled this other color, so sorry. But we have multiple color choices. You got your dark color choice right here as well. This is caviar colored. Let's see what else we got. We got Lincoln, we got that, caviar. I believe this is the matching color for this. So this one is Homestead color. So we have Homestead color, Lincoln log color. We have caviar. This is a trim piece actually, which is really cool. And that's the cool thing I thought about this product too is not only are the siding pieces insulated, they're like corner pieces, they're trim pieces, all that stuff. So they didn't leave a piece out when they were designing the product to be inefficient in other areas. So in regards to, we have the log style, right? You also have a different, this is actually is a weathered gray color, and it's more of a flat profile as well. Some more here. This one is Western Lodge, chinking color gray. So Western Lodge cut. I don't know, I'm learning as we go. Like I said, we've only done the one product. We haven't done all of these products on a property. Ooh, this one's a little, this one they packed nice and tight. Ooh, I think this might be my favorite so far. So this one, look at that. This is a Chesapeake, and the chinking color is gray. And look at that. This is like your flat lumber, timber log style profile. And the look that you can get on a lakeside property or up north cabin property with the R value is just immense. This is a hand hewn siding style. This is a concrete timber style, and we have our log style. So lots of options. I'd love to install all of these. Obviously, this is a little bit more of an investment product in the long term. It's not going to be the cost of your vinyl siding, but you're going to get the return out of it for your lifelong home in regards to the efficiency, the durability, and the aesthetics. So thanks for joining me today and learning a little bit more about ClearCreek siding. If you have any questions, thoughts, or feedback on the siding, if you've used it, I'd love to hear from the installers. I'd love to hear from the contractors. I'd love to hear from the homeowners. So just comment below, follow us, and subscribe for more products and information from Northface Construction. And if this is something that you're interested in Minnesota, please let us know. We'd be happy to walk through this project, give you a free estimate on what that would look like on your next build or remodel. So once again, Josh here, Northface Construction. Thanks for tuning in.